Well, it's the end of the year. It's one of our nice last days. So, this is the 438 in the Charger. He's running sweet. This is the 512 in the Cuda. And the new 727 with the coan torque converter seems to be working out nicely. So this is just the end of the year. They're going to be put away. We've got snow coming, so it's time to put them in. But they're all ready for a fun year next year. Let's hope without all these surprises. Maybe I can get some more flying in. Not real often I got them both sitting here running and kind of cleaned up. We can do a comparison of the pipes. Here we go. Let's see what the speaker's like on this camera. Let me know in the comments which one you like better. All forming up. Well, that's it. A lot of hard work for the year, but they're both where they need to be. Well, I guess that'll about do it for now. More to come. Thanks for watching.